This is the BBC Emergency Broadcast System. Information of a spy helicopter headed towards the UK has been received. It has been confirmed that this will drop a missile and cause mass panic. We do not know what type of missile it is, but it is dangerous. We will now share the affected areas: Leicester, Skegness, Aberdeen, Belfast, Liverpool and London. The Home Office confirmed these areas are at risk of collapsing. Airports are closed and same with train stations. This missile is said to launch in 10 seconds. It is too late to evacuate.